SRPT up 5.28%. This is Wednesday, the 8th of October 2025. Intraday high in this pre-market session, $25.34. So, market participants, investors, traders, they are anticipating the impact of some potential catalysts you're going to hear about pretty soon. They're anticipating their impact. That is why we are looking at what's going on right now. It's currently trending. Okay, let's without wasting much time, let's listen to what's going on.
Sarepta Therapeutics, SRPT, is trending as investors focus on a series of upcoming and ongoing scientific presentations that could shape the company's short and long term trajectory. The company is expected to present new clinical data from multiple programs within its delandistrogene moxeparvovec gene therapy development pipeline, which targets Duchenne muscular dystrophy, DMD. This includes updates from several key trials, as well as a real world evidence study examining pulmonary function outcomes in advanced stage DMD patients treated with casimersen. These real world data points are being closely monitored by the investment community as they may provide additional validation of Sarepta's therapies in later stage disease settings. In addition, Sarepta will share results from the EMERGENE Phase 3 study evaluating bidridistrogene xeboparvovec in patients with limb-girdle muscular dystrophy type 2 E/R4. This presentation is particularly significant as it focuses on the expression of SGCB and the therapy's safety profile, two critical factors that could support regulatory filings and future commercialization. On the market side, traders and analysts are viewing these presentations as potential catalysts for renewed momentum in SRPT stock. Many in the community are anticipating positive data readouts, which could lead to a short squeeze given current short interest and bullish positioning, renewed buyout speculation, with Sarepta seen as an attractive target for larger pharmaceutical players seeking a strong rare disease and gene therapy platform. A shift in broader sentiment toward biotech as investors look for tangible clinical and regulatory wins. Investor confidence appears to be creeping back, with discussions emphasizing Sarepta's undervalued market cap relative to its pipeline strength and growing commercial revenue base. Upcoming catalysts, including conference presentations, earnings reports, and potential regulatory updates, are adding to the sense of anticipation. From a technical perspective, community members are watching key resistance levels closely, with many pointing to potential breakout zones if volume surges in response to positive news. Bulls believe strong data could not only lift SRPT in the near term, but also reinforce its long term leadership in neuromuscular genetic medicine. Bottom line, Sarepta is entering a critical news window where positive trial data could drive regulatory momentum, strategic interest, and possibly sharp price action. Traders are positioning ahead of these catalysts, and institutional investors may be watching closely as well.
Okay, so this is the presentation the company is going to make today. It's going to be 8:30 Eastern US time, New York time, and that will be 2:30 Central European time. Okay, so these are the ones they are going to do today. Yeah, they have three presentations, I believe, and then some more on Friday the 10th. Yeah, this is the catalyst, and this is what is probably driving the chatter. This is what's driving this momentum. It's just a modest 5.28%. Yeah, that should be what's going on. So based on this 4-hour chart, the extrapolation is saying that higher prices will remain in place up till close of today's trading session. Then after that, we may have a contraction. Yeah, the question is, what are they anticipating? I mean, why is the algo extrapolating a contraction when we have something going on? Could it be that they're expecting the algos expect? I mean, could it be that we are going to have something really positive. It's going to get better. I mean, the price may spike further and then, yeah, maybe contract. Would that be the case? It could. I mean, we're trying to align this extrapolation with what we are anticipating or what may happen. To justify this. But there's no guarantee this is what's going to happen. But this is what the algos are projecting. And extrapolating. Um, Well, as things stand right now, we have in terms of prices, we have 22.48, 22.80, 23.32, intraday high 25.34. We may even have higher prices up there. Let's see what we have down here. Price pressure momentums, they're all robustly trending. Yeah, all robustly trending, nothing negative at all. Um, let's see. We could just quickly go down to the daily chart. The daily chart hasn't reflected with what is going on right now, but we could still look at it anyway. Yeah, okay. Here it's saying that it's going to maintain much of the strength it has now up till Thursday, and then yeah, just as the 4-hour chart is extrapolating, it's saying that there might be a contraction. Could it be that I think this has been built in? This the algos may have digested the news about this presentation catalyst. Maybe it's saying that it's thinking it's going to be positive, and then, of course, they have already started buying the stock. Yeah, you can see they have been buying it. It's not very clear on this, so they've been buying that anticipation since. Yeah, they've been buying that anticipation of this. I mean, because obviously this presentation didn't come out. The news didn't come out today. It's been out there for some time, so they've been buying this. So yeah, it may be time to take profits. So okay, saying okay, by expanding this, we can see it's actually saying that yeah, it's gonna be, the strength will remain in place up to the close of Thursday, and then after that we'll contract, and then yeah, you can see what we have here. The presentations will take place all of today, yeah, all of today, and then none on Thursday, and then Friday another presentation will kick in. Yeah, could it be? Could it be? I mean, so I'm trying to align this extrapolation with what is going on to try and get a sense. But what we know for sure, we can clearly see is that they've been buying it. We could be, they've been buying they've been buying the anticipation, the rumor, the expectation. Yeah, yeah, they've been buying into the catalyst. So this if you're buying now, you just need to be careful. You just need to be careful. Yeah, you can see that they started to buy. Yeah, as of the 25th of September, that's when it began. Yeah, and all along it never dropped. All along the 10-day moving average, the 10-period moving average was always okay. I think the 3-period moving average served as a primary demand line a lot. Yeah, or just of late the 10-period moving average served as a primary demand line. So the bottom line is that they are buying just as the algos is expecting, and here on this 4-hour chart and on the um daily chart, expect a contraction to occur. Just get ready for that. And that's always the case. There might be an opportunity um, to buy the rumor, buy the anticipation. So it does not mean that it wouldn't continue to expand. It just needs to be careful if you're getting in. Need to be really careful. Okay, let's see now. We wanted to see projections. Let's have a look at the 5-minute chart. Let's see what we have here. 24.37, 24.29. Let's see. 23.85, $24. $24. I mean, we have already seen this intraday high to 5.34. I'm thinking the algos may have done so as well, may have projected something a lot more ambitious. Let's see what we have here. 26.32. We want to see something more than that, greater than that. $23, 23.44, 23.44, 3.83. Okay, nothing here on this 1 minute chart. Let's look at the 2 minute chart. Yeah, 24.18, 24.58, 23 point. Okay, nothing here. Let's have a look at the 3 minute chart. Yeah, we have here 24.58 as well. Okay, there's nothing here really. Nothing here really. Okay, so we'll take the best we have is 25.34, 25.34. So yeah, this is what's going on. I had to dig deep to find out what's going on. Yeah, I had to really dig deep to find out what's going on. So this is absolutely what's going on. They are presenting. This is you find a link to this website in the description box below. So this is most certainly a key catalyst that's behind this anticipation. Behind this anticipation, they've bought it already. So from the lows of 17.64 to the current price, you do the math. It has added a decent amounts up to yeah more than close to 30 or 40% from this low of 17.73. So you need to be very much aware of what's going on and just anticipate selling going on. I mean, anticipate the prospects of uh, of selling the positive presentation, selling the positive data and disclosures they will make at that conference. So this conference is going to be in Vienna. It's going to be in Vienna. So be very very ready. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this video.